still sounds quiet.
We're recording a train, and that's approaching us, and
Took a lot of balls to do this.
at least on my part,
I do it every night.
yeah, but I'm not much of a train spotter, as you probably know. So, I am facing my fear, and flooding myself with train goodness. Oh, great. Great. Beeping its horn at us, and we're good. Fuck
They can beep.
Oh no, is he gonna... Oh god. What the hell? Oh shit. And now I can feel it rumbling.
Give us one.
No, no!
Yeah!
Okay. That was...
Fucking intense.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, I got...
How'd you do?
I'm there. I haven't frolicked away.
That was quick.
That was quick, huh?
It was a quick train.
Seemed kind of long. According to this, it was 2 minutes and 33 seconds.
Those were passing by at a good rate.
Yep, there was wind.
There was
Alright.
definitely wind.
So now I did it for the first time, so I could probably do it again.
That was awesome.
And maybe I won't be as much of a pussy. But I still fucking did it.